If you're looking to save your TikTok videos to your gallery without posting them publicly, you're in the right place. Whether you're working on perfecting your content or just want to keep your video private, I'll show you how to save it easily and without a watermark. Open TikTok and either create a new video or select one you've already made. Once you're ready, tap the arrow icon on the right side of the screen to open the sharing options. Here you'll see a save button marked with a downward arrow. If you tap this, the video will be saved to your gallery with the TikTok watermark included. But if you want a clean version without the watermark, follow these steps. Tap Save again, but this time select the second option, which will upload the video to your profile temporarily. Wait for the video to finish uploading. Once it's posted, go to your profile and open the video. Tap the three dots on the right side of the video and choose Save Video. The video will now save to your gallery without the watermark. After saving, tap the three dots again and select Delete to remove the video from your TikTok profile, keeping it private. And that's how you can save your TikTok video with or without the watermark, all while keeping it off your public profile. It's quick and simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you found it useful, don't forget to like and share it. Stay tuned for more TikTok tips and tricks.